shell. And here are the rest of the shells. Over here, my daddy.
It's a lot.
There's a lot here.
Up here on the wall.
Daddy, now let's go over here. Over here.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
And there's these amazing rolls.
Maybe we could catch another one.
This one's walking right here, bro.
Come on, Daddy, let's see the other
Oh,
shell.
here, there's a lot here. Oh.
Daddy?
Here, oh, follow.
There's like thousands in here,
Yeah.
right? Or maybe hundreds or thousands.
What happens if I get another shell? Over here, over here. We're over here. Dun, dun, dun. And here. And we got him from.
I mean, can I show you that one about the hat? What about the hat?
Huh? Already?
Maybe.
Where?
Look in here, oh. What are the shells, oh?
And the real cicadas.
Can we get 1 billion of these cicadas shells?
Whoa.
Can we show some to Mommy?
Oh, this one's just getting out of the polo, oh.
Oh boy!
Getting out of the... That one? Oh, this one! This one, Kuya!
Yeah,
Yeah, I see it. Daddy, there's one that looks like it's about to hatch.
That?
That
Doesn't look like it's like a hat.
Again, you didn't get scared. There, right there.
I
There's
didn't
one over here.
Hey, little fella. How you doing?
Oh, they're everywhere here, right?
Hi. They're my new friends.
There's like,
Beijing, did you count them?
No, I don't want to count
I
them.
don't wanna
There's
count
too many of them. Here, touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
It's just a bug.
Yeah.
Ah! Get scared, Mr.
There's
Cicada.
even one over here.
Why aren't they getting scared like they look like big flies, but they're not scared of us.
There's a
Daddy?
lot in here, oh.
Daddy, I have a question. How can the cicadas,
They're everywhere. Right, Dad?
how can the cicadas shells stay on the tree? Daddy,
Huh?
how can the cicadas shell
Uh-huh.
stay on this tree?
Maybe they clip their
Used to be
They're
only
feet in
like
there.
only a few yesterday, and then we explored more.
Yeah. Dude, they're not even scared. Yeah.
Oh my!
I'm sorry, Mr.
They even
Cicada.
found the real one over here.
Okay, let me follow you. Your shells. Okay.
Oh my! This is a lot.